Powder filling. Are you experiencing spills, inconsistency, or low speed with manual methods? In many factories, powder packing becomes a daily bottleneck. Inconsistent filling, product wastage, dust, slow output, and too much dependency on workers. For serious manufacturers, this is not just a labor issue. It affects dispatch speed, packaging quality, and customer confidence. The fully automatic Auger powder filling machine is designed to bring better control to powder filling operations. It can be configured for different powder applications such as spices, protein powder, beverage premixes, milk powder, herbal powders, detergent powder, cosmetic powders, suitable powder products. Every powder behaves differently. That is why the right machine selection should be based on your product, pack size, container type, and required output. If you are ready to move from manual filling to automatic powder packing, send us your powder type, pack size, and daily production requirement. Packtronix will help you evaluate whether automation makes sense for your factory, arrange a powder filling trial if required, and recommend the right machine configuration for your product. Packtronix, helping manufacturers move from manual filling to practical automation.